Hey everybody, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, Florida. We're your local Sea Ray boat dealer here. Today we're going to do a walk through the special new arrival. This is a 2026 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer Outboard in the beautiful white gel coat. This is arguably the most popular cruiser in South Florida with outboards, under 40 feet. Just a great all-around boat. Stainless steel anchor, still hasn't been taking the bubble wrap off of it. This is a huge 32. Will sleep 4 people, air-conditioned generator. This is the coupe design, so you have a full windshield and half glass on the sides. Beautiful natural light from these windows in the cabin. The size of that Sea Ray emblem. This exudes class. This one's powered by a pair of twin V10 Mercury 350s. This actually performs as well as the old triple engine model. Underwater lights. Sea deck on the swim platform. Lots of storage everywhere for fenders, dock lines, shore power cords. Big hardtop with electric sunshade. This one does have radar, it's just not installed yet. Fender clips to hang your fenders. JL audio controls here in the back. This is the stone interior. Look at how much seating you have in this. This is so conducive to entertaining. People can't believe this is a 32-foot. Summer kitchen with electric barbecue, pull-out drawer fridge, wet sink. This does have cockpit air conditioning, as well as cabin air, of course. Twin 12-inch Simrads, joystick control, automatic trim tabs, upgraded Fusion premium system for audio. Have a nice double helm seat here as well. Easy walk through to the bow. You have a nice lounging area up here, access to your windlass controls. Bow rail hits you nice and high, so it's nice and safe for the kids. More controls for your stereo. There's the full windshield we talked about, just so nice. Opens up easily though when you want to get some fresh air through. And people cannot believe the cabin on this model. Beautiful stairs walking in, beautiful woodwork. You have a bow dinette here, or it can be just a V-berth. All of your MDP and electronic controls are in this cabinet. Microwave and another fridge down here, and lots of storage. And back here, where everything is and hasn't been fully prepped yet, you can have twin bunks, or they'll push together to make a king. Lots of storage, and you still have a beautiful enclosed head. Vessel sink, vacuum flush toilet. Such a great setup. That's why we sell so many of them. Again, Tyler Hill, MarineMax Pompano Beach, your local Sea Ray dealer here in South Florida. Give you a quick little panorama of our marina. This was a 2026 Sea Ray 32 Sundancer Outboard. Again, with the twin 350 V10's. Perfectly set up. Give us a call today. Thanks for watching.